Good day, students. How are you today? Are you okay? Are you fine? I hope you are okay. And please be ready for yourself and be prepared so that you will learn new things for this video. You can prepare your notes and most especially you prepare yourself for this lesson. For this lesson, we have here our objective. First, the learners, you are expected to evaluate an algebraic expression for given values of the variable. Second, add and subtract polynomials. So are you familiar with the word algebraic expression and the word polynomials? Maybe some of you already heard the word algebraic expression in your elementary days and also the word polynomials. But for some students, for some learners, okay, we will learn later what is algebraic expression and what is polynomials. For our first activity, tell whether each pair of terms is similar or not. Check yes if similar and check no if not similar. So we have here the table. For the first table, we have here the word terms. The second table, we have here the word yes. And the third term, or the third column, we have here the word no. Okay, for number 1, the term 10 and negative 6. Okay. For you, what is that? Are they similar or no? 10 and negative 6. As you can see, the term has only a numerical coefficient. It does not have a variable. So what is your answer? That is yes. The term 10 and negative 6 are similar. Okay, for number 2, the term negative 4 BC and the term 6 BC. What's on your mind? Are they similar or not? As you can see in this number, they have the variable BC. So therefore, yes, they are similar. Kasi nga, yung variable nila is the same. B and C. For number 3, the term 5y squared and the term 7x cubed. Are they similar or not? So, the term 5y squared, ang variable niya is y and the power is 2. And the term 7x cubed, the variable is x and the exponent is 3. So therefore, they are not similar. Di ba nga? Hindi pareho yung kanilang variable and also yung kanilang exponent. Okay, for number 4, the term p plus 5r and the term negative the quantity of 4p plus r. What's on your mind? Are they similar or not? So, for the first term, for the first expression, for the first term, yung variable is p and r. And also, for the second term, the variable is p and r. So, therefore, they are similar. So, we have here the question. How did you determine similar terms? And also, how did you determine the not similar terms? How did you know? So, Here we have here like terms are terms that contain the same variables raised to the same power. Only the numerical coefficients are different. So, we can say that the terms are similar or like if they have the same variables raised to the same power. And only the numerical coefficients are different. In an expression, only like terms can be combined. So when we are going to evaluate terms, we can only combine terms that that are having the same terms. We can only combine terms if parehas sila og terms. We can combine like terms to shorten and simplify algebraic expression. Okay, we have here algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? It's an expression built up from integer, constant, and variable like 5x squared, 2a, 3x, and so on. And these are example of algebraic expression. We have here the 5x squared. The term 5x squared, it has a constant that is 5. And also, it has a variable that is x. And a power that is 2 or squared. And also we have another example of algebraic expression that is 2a. It has a variable and it has a constant. We have a, 3, and 3x. That is an example of algebraic expression. We have here the term polynomial. It is an algebraic expression composed of 2 or more terms. That is polynomial from the word poly, more than, two or more than. So when the expression is having one term, that is what we call monomial. So evaluating expression, how do you evaluate expression? So we have here example number 1. Evaluate an algebraic expression for given values of the variable. The first term is 3x minus 2y plus 5 when x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. So how do you evaluate an expression? You are just going to substitute the value of the given variable to the expression. You have here the solution. 3, the value of x, which is 4, minus 2, and then copy the value of y, that is 2, plus 5. So, simplify. 3 times 4, that is 12, minus 2 times 2, that is 4, and copy the 5. So, 12 minus 4, that is 8, plus 5, that is equal to 13. So, therefore, 3x minus 2y plus 5 when x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2, that is equal to 13. We have here example number 2. Evaluate 5a plus 3b minus 2 when a is equal to negative 1 and b is equal to 1. Again, the same as example number 1, you're going to substitute the value of the given variable to the expression. So we have here the solution 5a plus 3b minus 2. So copy the value of a, that is negative 1. So 5 times negative 1 plus 3. The value of b, that is 1 minus 2. So 5 times negative 1, that is negative 5. 3 times 1, that is 3, minus 2. So negative 5 plus 3, that is negative 2. Plus negative 2, that is equal to negative 4. We have here another example. What does 4a mean when a is 5? So, from the term 4a, di ba nga magkadikit sila? So, that means you're going to multiply. Multiply 4 to the given value of a, that is equal to 5. So, therefore, 4a is equal to 4 times 5, that is equal to 20. So, i-multiply mo lang yung 4 sa value ng a, that is 5. So, that is 20. Another example we have here, evaluate 5a minus 3a minus 8a plus 6a when a is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 1, and c is equal to 3, and d is equal to negative 5. So, napakadali lang. You're going to substitute the value of the given variable to the expression. So we have here 5a minus 3a minus 8a plus 6a. So you're just going to copy 5, multiply it to 2, that is the value of a, minus 3 times 2, minus 8 times 2 plus 6 times 2. So simplify, 5 times 2 is equal to 10, minus 3 times 2, that is equal to 6, minus 8 times 2, that is equal to 16, plus 6 times 2, that is 12. So 10 minus 6, that is equal to 4, minus 16, that is negative 12 plus 12. So therefore, that is equal to 0. Example number 5, evaluate BC minus CD when B is equal to 1, C is equal to 1, and D is equal to 3. So, solution BC minus CD, 1 times the value of C, that is equal to 1, minus C, that is equal to 1, and D, that is equal to 3. So, 1 times 1, that is 1, minus 1 times 3, that is 3. So, therefore, 1 minus 3, that is equal to negative 2. So, guys, my dear students, my dear learners, napakadali lang ang pag-evaluate ng isang expression. What you're going to do, you're going to substitute the given value of the variable to the expression. Substitute mo lang and then simplify and then makukuha mo na yung sagot. We have here also addition of polynomials. How to add polynomials. To add two or more polynomials that are like terms, add the numerical coefficients and bring down the literal parts. There are two methods that can be used to add polynomials, the horizontal and the vertical methods. So, ano yung sinasabi niya? If you're going to add two or more polynomials that are like terms, when we say like, they have the same variable with the same power. You're just going to add the numerical coefficients and bring down the literal parts. Okay, we have here example number 1, add 5x, 7x, and 9x. So we can use the two methods, that is the horizontal and vertical methods. For this, we're going to use first the vertical methods. So, 5x plus 7x plus 9x, you're just going to add the numerical coefficients. So, add 5 plus 7, that is 12, plus 9, that is equal to 21. And then, bring down the literal parts, that is the x. So, therefore, 5x plus 7x plus 9x, that is equal to 21x. Or you can use also the horizontal method. So we have here 5x plus 7x plus 9x, 5 plus 7, 12 plus 9, that is equal to 21x. Another example, add 2x plus 5y, negative 9x plus 5y, 12x minus 20y. So, as you can see in this example, they have two terms. So, that is polynomial. So, we're going to first use the vertical method. So, copy 2x plus 5y plus negative 9x plus 5y plus 12x minus 20y. So, combine first the terms that are having a variable of x. So, 2x plus negative 9x, that is equal to negative 7x plus 12x, that is equal to 5x. And also, 5y plus 5y, that is 10y minus 20y, that is equal to negative 10y. So, napakadali lamang on how to add polynomials. We can use also the horizontal method. We have here 2x plus negative 9x. We're going to combine the terms that are having the same variable. Here we have 2x plus 9x plus 12x. Combine also the terms that are having a variable of y, so 5y plus 5y minus 20y. So simplify, that is equal to 5x minus 10y. We have here also subtraction of polynomials. So, do you know already how to add polynomials? Sobrang dali lamang, no? Okay, we have here subtraction of polynomials. In subtraction, mentally change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to algebraic addition or change positive into negative or negative into positive, then add as usual. So in subtraction, you're going to mentally, in your mind, change the sign of the subtrahend. So what is subtrahend? Yun yung number na nasa ibaba. So change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to algebraic addition. Or you can change from positive, change it into negative, and from negative, you can change it into positive. So we have your example. Letter A, subtract 10x squared by 2x squared. So, here we can use the vertical method. So, copy 10x squared minus 2x squared. 10x squared minus 2x squared, that is equal to 8x squared. Another example, subtract b plus c by 4b minus 2c. So in this example, we have two terms. So copy b plus c, and then minus d mo, or you're going to subtract it to the 4b minus 2c. So put minus sign, and then you're going to put a parenthesis. So, copy 4b minus 2c. So, multiply negative times 4b, that is equal to negative 4b. Negative times negative 2c, that is equal to positive 2c. And then simplify. b minus 4b, that is negative 3b plus 3c. That is negative 3c, huh? That is not negative 4b, that is negative 3b. Example number 3, from 10a subtract 15a. Solution, 10a minus 15a, that is equal to negative 5a. Example number 4, subtract 9xy plus 5 from 14xy plus 12. So you're going to subtract 9xy. So ano yung subtrahend dito? So that is the 9xy plus 5. So from 14xy plus 12, you're going to subtract 9xy plus 5. And then you're going to put a parenthesis para hindi kayong malilito. So negative times 9xy, that is equal to negative 9xy. And negative times 5, that is equal to negative 5. And then simplify. 14xy plus 12 minus 9xy minus 5. So 14 minus 9, that is equal to 5, and 12 minus 5, that is equal to 7. So we have here adding and subtracting terms that are not similar. The monomials cannot be added. Their sum can only be indicated. So example letter A, find the sum of 5x and 5y. So as you can see in this example, they have different variable. The variable of the first term is x and the second term is y. So you cannot combine the terms. You're just going to indicate the sum. So that is equal to 5x plus 5y for the second column. So therefore, that is 5x plus 5y. Another example, find the difference of 20b and 12c. So, as you can see again, they have different variable. So you're just going to copy 20b minus 12c. Another example, from negative abc plus a plus 11b, subtract negative 7abc plus 7a plus 9b. So we have here negative abc plus a plus 11b is equal to, you're just going to copy, minus din mo siya. You're going to put a parenthesis. So negative times negative 7, that is equal to 7abc. Negative times positive 7a, that is equal to negative 7a. And negative times positive 9b, that is equal to negative 9b. And then simplify. Negative abc plus 7abc, that is equal to 6abc. A minus 7a, that is equal to negative 6a. And then for the third column, we have 11b minus 9b, that is equal to positive 2b. Okay, we have here, we're going to apply it to some problems. We have here, what is the perimeter of a triangle whose sides are 4x squared plus 4 centimeter, 3x squared plus 6 centimeter, and 5x squared plus 7 centimeter. So as you all know, perimeter, that is the sum of all the sides of a certain shape. So if that is a triangle, so it has 3 sides. You're going to add the sides of that triangle, or add the 3 sides. So solution, the perimeter of triangle, it is equal to side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. So ang value ng side 1, that is equal to 4x squared plus 4. Value ng side 2, that is equal to 3x squared plus 6. And the value of the third side, that is 5x squared plus 7. So, you're going to add 4x squared plus 3x squared, that is equal to 7x squared plus 5x squared, that is 12x squared. And we'll add the second term, 4 plus 6, that is 10 plus 7, that is 17. Therefore, the perimeter of the triangle is equal to 12x squared plus 17 centimeters. Another example, the length of a rectangular garden is 10 meters and the width is 8 meters. What is the perimeter of the garden? Again, for this problem, it is a perimeter. So, you're going to add all the sides of a rectangle. So, you have here the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 length, or 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So, perimeter is equal to 2 length plus 2 width is equal to 2, the value of the length, that is 10 plus 2, and the width is 8. So, 2 times 10, that is 20, plus 2 times 8, that is equal to 16. So, multiply, or after you multiply, you're going to add. So, 20 plus 16, that is 36 meters. Okay, sobrang napakadali naman. Okay, that's all, and thank you for listening.